spring comes around, you want to be ready. Here's one. There are seasons, obviously, and I think everyone kind of gets this, but there's a purpose. It's purposeful for that, and that there's winter, spring, summer, fall, then winter, and of course that repeats itself. The idea behind that is you need these periods of winter time where things become dormant, things rest. You need the forest fires to burn things out, and for that new growth to happen. And so, without getting too far deep into the metaphors, what most people do is when the times are really great and things are fruitful, it's summertime and everything's fantastic, people are out, they're happy, that things are good, they're spending, they're growing, they're doing all those types of things. Again, just like you would think of a crop, in the heat of the summer, just thriving. But then it gets into these periods of winter, and quite honestly, we are obviously in this sort of winter period right now. And, people can find themselves, if they weren't doing things correct and they didn't prepare in the fall for the winter, of course, in financial hardship, and they can find themselves very frustrated, very sort of, disgruntled and thinking, they're never going to see summer again, or and just kind of close up and sort of just stop. What I can tell you that's probably different in the 1% mindset versus anyone else is the people that are, constantly growing, constantly expanding, are always, even in the winter time, they're beginning to plant seeds and to, self-reflect, self-grow. Maybe it's not a great time for business, but they are still saving. They're still working as hard as they ever did. They may not be investing as much. They may not be buying assets. They may not be doing whatever it is that they're doing, but they're still pursuing. They're still making progress. And this is an important thing, that instead of thinking, well, times are bad, there's nothing we can do about it, there's no way I can make additional money, I just can't make ends meet, sort of woe is me, and complaining and doing all that kind of stuff. Instead of that, what we should be doing is doubling down, working harder than what we worked in the summer periods and in the spring periods. Basically just doing whatever you possibly can to, really in the winter, store nuts. You know what I mean? Like, store as much money as you possibly can. Yes, maybe, cut back a little bit. Yes, maybe don't do things, as crazy or whatever. Yes, be conscious that it is winter and that things aren't going to be as good, but definitely don't stop. Definitely don't think you're in a period where great things can't happen for you, in your life. And if you do that and you continuously work hard and you continuously keep doing the things that you need to be doing, and you don't get distracted and you recognize that it's winter, you'll actually be pretty excited, because what you'll be doing is actually setting yourself up for the spring. And then when the spring comes is when you're really starting to lay those seeds, you're really starting to water those seeds, and figure things out or whatever. And then in summer comes, man, when those summers come, you are just 10x, 20x, 30x much better. If you wait until summer, until you realize, oh, actually it's a great economy now everyone else is making money, now I'm gonna go get it, now I'm gonna start that business, now I'm gonna whatever, you don't have it. You've already missed the spring. You probably didn't even see it coming, and the summer's already halfway over. By the time you get going, it's already fall again. It doesn't make any sense. So you need to be laying foundations, which is what we're doing for our company. Laying foundations in the wintertime, setting bedrock principles, really cleaning out the house, getting the cobwebs, getting everything ready, 100% solid, really investing in the business, doing everything you possibly can to make yourself better, the business better. I'm talking about structure, processes, people, all that kind of stuff. Because when the spring comes around, you want to be ready, so that when the summer comes, it is lights out, tremendous growth. And that is the difference between the 1% and everyone else.